Alright, today is June 18th, 2022. It is a Saturday. It is also day 334 of web development, and today I'm going to try to basically do a modal but with an overlay so that when the modal pops up, there's an overlay in the background so that the modal actually pops out more, if that makes sense. So I'll start with doc type HTML, do my HTML tags. I'll do my head tags, and then my unhead tags. That's for basically fonts or links to other thingies, whatever. Anyway, yeah. Body tags, right? That's anything inside the body tag is what you're going to see on the screen on the left side, or basically on your site. I'll start, like always, with my container. I'll start by doing the overlay first because I feel like it's easier that way. I'll go here and target my container because I labeled my box, which is, okay, so a div is basically, you can think of it as a box, and then you can give it a label using classes or IDs. Essentially, if I just say class equal to container, I can target that class by using dot notation, right, in CSS, and then I can style it by giving it properties. So for example, I want to give it a border property, and then I'll give it like values of 5 pixels black and solid, so it's a 5 pixel black solid lined border, and then you'll give it a height of 100 vertical height of the screen for now, VH, and that's that. And then inside of the container I want to have my modal, so I'm going to do a div, I'm going to give it modal, and then I'm also going to put it inside a modal container. So I'll do that, and then inside my modal I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to do like a grid, so I'll do like an image, and then I'll do like a maybe like a heading, like a div class heading, and then I'll do an h1. I'll just do hello world for now because I don't really know what this site is going to be about just yet. Close that div heading. Okay, so this is what we have. So I'm just going to go here and give everything a border. So I'm just going to copy this a few times, change it to modal container. That's not how you spell container. And then change this to modal, change this to image, change this to heading, and I'm just going to remove the height of everything. Okay, so I'll probably remove the height of this also. Alright, so that's what we have so far. Okay, so my modal, I want it to be, well, let's see. I'm gonna give it a, maybe change the color so we could actually distinct from it. Let's do red, let's do green. Alright, so, okay, let me start with the modal. So the modal has to have a display of grid because I need the heading and the image to be side by side. And so I'll do grid template columns of 2 columns basically, so that separates the modal into 2 equally spaced columns. And then to have some space between it, I'll do grid gap maybe 1 em, which is equivalent to 16 pixels. Alright, and then I'm gonna go to Unsplash. Oh, you know what I can do? I can go to Blender and use one of my pictures. So maybe I'll do that. Let's see, which one is maybe the cup one. I'll just right click. Oh, I can't copy it. I could always go on Pinterest and upload it there and then copy the link there, as I always do with logos and such. Alright, let me go here, create a pin. I'm just gonna put it in my logos because that's the only one I have right now. What am I gonna call it again? Cup. Let me see if I still have it, if I haven't deleted it yet. Okay, it's here. And just save that. And wait. and wait 1 second more and 5 seconds more. Okay. Alright, so see it now. And then, what am I doing? Right click. Am I okay? Like, why isn't this thing showing up? Okay, right click. No, I guess. I'm so confused. Copy link. Right click. Oh, there we go. Copy image address, and then go back to my CodePen, and then go to the image and give it a background URL and paste the URL in there, and then the image should pop up. But it'll be a little bit weird, so I want the background size, right, to be this cover, like to cover the entire container in which it's in, which is basically the image. And then to kind of position it as I want it, maybe I'll do center, background position center, or probably bottom so everything can see. And I'll probably have to give the image an actual height of possibly 400 pixels, and we'll see how that works out. That's so ugly. How about 200 pixels? Okay, better. Alright, and then what I'll do is, let me think. I'll go to the heading. I'll give this a display of flex so I can center my heading. I'll do just, let's justify content center. That's not how, what the, oh my god. Okay, align items center. So justify content center basically centers it horizontally, while align items centers it vertically. Alright, so we have that. Let me change the heading to something like day, what day was this? Day 129? 129. Alright, and then I could possibly go to the heading and change it to be all uppercase, so text transform uppercase. And then, yeah, I guess that's fine. Alright, what's next? I'm going to delete the border for the heading, and I'll delete the border for the image, so I could just see the modal itself. Okay, I was gonna do the overlay. Okay, so the container is a container, and the modal container is gonna be the one with an overlay. So that's gonna have a background of the linear gradient of what? 0.77, 0.77, 0.77, and then 0.7, and then just copy that and paste it right there. Okay, there we go. What else? Let me think. So I want the heading to have a background of hashtag EEEEE. Okay. Probably have, let me see. Maybe not the heading to have a background. Maybe it's just I want the modal to have the background. There we go. And then what else do I want? So the modal, let me see. So I wanted the overlay, but that only needs to happen when it pops up. Okay, so I need to have any padding and margin that's automatic to literally delete itself. So I'm going to set padding to 0 and margin to 0. Okay, so that fixes that. And then, the border, the container, I want it gone. The border of the modal container, I want it gone. And then we just have the modal. So the modal container needs to have a display of flex so that it's in the middle. And then we'll justify content center, align items center. That should be that. Let me save this real quick and then see what it looks like here. Why does this happen? Okay, so it's like that then. So then what I think I need to do is give it a certain width. So the modal, I'm gonna say it could have a width of 600 pixels. And then a height of, I think I gave the image a height, but let's do 300 pixels. That still looks so small. Why does it look so small? Whatever, anyway. I'm also going to do an X. So for that, I'm just gonna go here, and just go to one of these modals here, because I have the link to the, because it's an image, it's not just an X, so I need the code. I need the image actually for it, which is in the code. So, 1 second. Over here. Alright, let me go back. Where am I putting it? I'm putting it inside the modal, which is gonna be over. Actually, I shouldn't put it inside the modal, because it's then it's gonna. It doesn't matter where I put it actually, because I'm gonna eventually just give it a Really? See, I knew it. No, it's okay. I can use Pinterest. Thank you very much. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm gonna set, I gave this an ID of X, and so I'm gonna go all the way here, and I'll go here, and target ID by using hashtags X, and then give it a position, absolute, or I probably should have done relative. I don't know. Position absolute, give it a, first of all, fix the width, maybe 25 pixels, height, 25 pixels, and then probably from the left, maybe 90%. And from the top, maybe 3 pixels. I don't know, we'll see. Let me see what that looks like here. This is probably not gonna work out then. What is it? What the? Okay, 1 second. What did I call it? I called it image, so I'm gonna have to do, oh no, this is bad. Oh no, it's not bad, because there's a difference between class. Alright, I'm just gonna do image, do this, and it should work. Okay. The reason why I said that it's bad, it's because I thought that I have 2 images, but this is actually a class, and this is an element. So target it, you target elements by just writing the thing, and then if you want to target a class, you write dot notation, and if you want to target an ID, you write hashtag. So it's not like it matters. So yeah, because I have image over here, right, as a class, and then I have image over here as an element, which are 2 different things. Alright, so, from the left, from the top, that's horrifying. Okay, let's do 60, nope, 80, nope, like, are you kidding? What's enough? What's good enough? Tell me. 65, from the top, 10 pixels, question mark? Are you serious? Let's do 100 pixels. Are you kidding me right now? How about I do 50%? This is horrible. 30, 35. Oh my god. Jesus. How about 28%. You're done. 34. Okay, great. From the left, how about 70? Nope. How about 68? Nope. How about 67? Okay, how about 33? Okay, perfect. The modal, I do want it to be round, so I'm gonna give it a border radius of 20%. Didn't I tell myself I was going to do the overlay? Oh, I did do the overlay, but it's not like, you know what? Ugh, whatever. So notice that it's a little sharp around the edges is because the image is not round. So I'm gonna go here and just paste that in there, and it should fix itself. Kind of. Now it's a little weird. So maybe it's best if I just do like what was I talking about? Oh, if I just what was I saying? Oh, if I gave it like a pat, like if I centered it in the middle. I could do that. Let me go to the modal. Padding of 20 pixels. There we go. Nice. And then I could also move that X a little bit more up. So I'll do 30%. Maybe 32. Alright. I could maybe do 28 just to make it a little bigger. I guess. Alright. What am I doing now again? The container is a container. And then the modal. Oh my god, this is so bad. The modal. I'm trying to think. I'm so confused right now. I can't even think. Okay, so the modal container contains everything. So for now, okay, first of all, let me fix this responsive or lack of responsiveness. So when the max width of the screen, or when the width of the screen hits 800 pixels, I need the modal, no, I just need the X to kind of just change that position. So, are you kidding? So maybe from the top we do 28. And then, nope, that's actually really bad. 10. Nope, 15. 20. Okay. And then 80. 95. 85. And then from the top, 22. Much better. Alright. Now, I was going to do something and I forgot. Oh yeah, I was going to set the visibility of the modal container, which contains everything basically, to hidden, because that's what it needs to be. That's going to just go crazy, right? And then the container, which is what we have now, I'm going to give back the border, 5 pixels, black solid. Okay, that's what we have now. So in the container, I need there to be, so maybe I don't even know. I need there to be a link. So I'm going to do href, and I'm going to set it to nowhere for now. I'm going to say maybe today, Blender today, or Blender daily Blender update or something. Alright, so I'm going to give this an ID of link, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna go all the way down here before the responsive stuff. I'm gonna do hashtag link because it's an ID, and I'm just gonna make it pretty. So I'm going to first of all give it a not a border, a background. of a certain color, which I'll just take from here. So we'll make it like a green color. So it's 6B9D884. So hashtag, because it's, oh, what the? Oh my god, you're done. Literally, you're done. What is this? Why does it do this to me? Why does it always have to do this? This thing is crazy, I'm telling you. Oh my god. Just work. What's wrong with this thing? I'm done. Okay, 6B9884. 6B9884. Alright, and then I'm going to give it a padding of 10 pixels. Did I spell background wrong? Why is it not working? This thing should be working. Ooh, I'm so tired. Is it because the thing is there? How about I just get rid of, okay, I'm just gonna close the container and then go all the way down here and just get rid of this last one here. Or not. Okay, great, that's amazing. It's the Modal container. I don't know. Why is it not working? The Z index. Let me do Z index 1 and then set the Modal container for now to have a Z index of -1. Okay, maybe I'm just going crazy and that's just not a color that I added and that's why it's not working, because girl is confused right now. Like what? 6B9884. Is that not what I wrote? And I also gave it an ID of like. Oh, I forgot to set it equal to. There we go. Okay. I was like, what's going on? Alright, so padding 10 pixels. I also want it to be round, so border radius 20 pixels. Let's fix the text decoration. That removes the underline. The text color, we can make it white. And then it can link to the Modal. And I'll give this an ID of Modal. Actually, it could link to this here. So when Modal is targeted, the visibility can be set to visible. There we go. Good. Only thing is though, no, I don't think it's gonna, it needs to be this. I don't even know. Let me see, it can't be inside the container, so this needs to go away. the modal container just gonna have to be on top. Maybe have, let me comment this out. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like, but I need it to have a position absolute. But still not like that. It's so weird. I'm trying to think. Okay, I need it to be on top. Let's see, let me think. What if I delete the border of the container? No, it's still there. Is it because it has a height? No, this sucks. Now it works, but I don't like it. How do I fix this? The modal container to have a width of 100%. There we go. But then from the top, 0. It doesn't like, oh, okay, that works. Which is what I wanted. Okay, we're getting there. And then let's see. When the X is targeted, set the modal to have a visibility of hidden. Alright, and then when I target the X, it should disappear or not. Okay, target, have the most visibility of hidden, but the modal isn't doing anything. So what's wrong with it? Modal target, visibility hidden. It's probably because it's not. Alright, I'm gonna have to give it a Z index of 2. Are you kidding me? Save that. Why? When the X is targeted, I need the modal to have a visibility of hidden. But it's not happening. Oh, actually no, yeah. But then, no, I don't know. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me uncomment this. Reload. So this part works. Oh, why does this happen? I don't like what? Okay, so I guess it's working. Only thing is, oh my god, I did it! I did the overlay. I'm so proud. Okay, only thing is, let me just fix that daily Blender update. I want it to be in the middle at the top. So I'm just gonna go here to the container and set the display of the container to be flex, justify, content center, and align. Actually, I don't want it to align item center. I just want it to be position relative to the body or whatever, and then from the top maybe 20 pixels. Not, hold on, let me do a body tag and give it a background. So I'll go to unsplash. Actually no, I'll just do do one of my images. Actually, nah, I will go to unsplash and I'll do like I'll find like a texture one. So that it can be a background so that the overlay is better, like you could actually see the overlay. Like the effect of the overlay, which I think is pretty cool. I'm so excited. Okay. Maybe something like this. Kind of matches. Copy image address. Where's my stuff? Okay, URL. Paste that in there. That is so horrifying. Okay. Let's do background, size, cover. Alright. I just don't like it, so it's not pretty. Let's try to find another one. Maybe this? I feel like the button just loses its effect. Nope, definitely not. Maybe something more clear. No. At this point, I'm about to just do a linear gradient. The whole point is that you can kind of see the overlay happening. I just don't, can I just find a good background? Like, why is this so hard? Ugh, even worse. Maybe wallpapers? Wow, these photographers are really, really good. Nice. I think, yeah, but it has nothing to do with my stuff here. But yeah, you can see the effect of the overlay, right? So the modal pops up. The modal, by the way, I've just done, okay, you know what? The modal is this thing right here, the purple thing, what do you call the purple box? Yeah, it's basically a pop-up. It's another way to say a pop-up. So the pop-up pops up more, right, with the overlay because it's making the background darker, and so that the modal is more like impactful. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. Oh, this is so exciting. Alright, I'm going to do myself a favor and just get rid of that border for the modal. Nope. Nope. Here. Save that. Reload. And it should look like that. And yeah, I think that's pretty nice. Although it has nothing to do with the background. Like, it's really bothering me. I need to find a background that has something to do with it. Maybe 3D renders. Ew, what is this? Ooh, this one is so pretty. It's giving graduation caps. maybe over here. Did I just reload it? I meant to save it. Nope, horrible. Okay. Let's see, maybe something like this. No. Actually, maybe, yeah. Maybe if I just give it a background position. Center. Tentacles? Okay, no. Let's not do this right now. No, because at this point I'm just gonna do a linear gradient. But then that takes away from the effect of the overlay. Nope. Yes. What? Why is the image? Did I change the image by accident? Whoops. Let me go back to Pinterest, copy image, address, paste that in there, reload. There we go. Yes, this looks much better. Daily, Blender update, day 129, and then you see what I made on day 129. Isn't that really nice? Wait, today's the 18th? Okay, yeah. That's really nice. Alright, that's it for today then. Bye!